Eh? And how about that? Okay. 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 Yeah.
It's just a campsite. All this is about 40 hectares. So just from here, go around. The composition, the waste composition, is mostly 60% organic. No, over there. Over 80% organic. We don't actually do any recycling.
Is only one dump site or more dump sites here?
We only have this one. It's the only one.
You have another one which we are opening.
It was opened in 1992.
It's a new one.
So was it right now?
Hey. So here's what you have seen.
लैंड जो है इधर ही है डिवाइडिंग की बहुत 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 बड़ी What do you think that if we get the land nearby your house,
Azimai muri bwino? Ngenda. Kufuna bano botuizi anthu azikugulani. Osamangolo kukhaku no basi. Kukwera anthu oti azikugulani. Mukatoleza zikhanda lama izi. Nina lama izi. This is all our land. Yeah.
it is how much?
It's all our land. Okay. How big is that?
This size. 30 piece, including hen.
Yes.
If we want some minimum plain area. No, hill के साथ नहीं.
No.
No, only this place.
No to this. 30 acres.
Hectares.
30 hectares. 30 hectares. That is too much.
So here you be
30 acres. 30 acres.
you can have somewhere here. You can put the factory here because all these things around. Yeah. Oh, there's power everywhere. There's power.
No, power substation. Substation. We want substation, kilometer.
But if you want the proper well, in Malawi it's about 60.
That's also no problem. Up to 100 feet, no problem. You can say 100 meters almost all.
Hey, you are not talking. Why?
Because he's talking.
Yeah? Why you are not talking? My friend. What we have here, you guys sit down, we come up, but we know that we are going to make it. And my vision is the mayor of writing one united best and smartest city. So you guys coming in is going to help us a lot. And as you mentioned, when you sit down, the decision that we make will be a good decision. Don't worry. Okay? Yeah, we are going to push for it. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Thanks.
Okay. This is the dialect of it. This one. Yeah. You know, we have giants, eh? It's like a soldier.
Rwanda students for big people.
Yeah. It's not for small people.
No.
Huh?
Big ones. Big ones.
Okay. Even here. So you are going to Zomba now?
We're going to Zomba.
Because from here,
Zomba is this way. Or we
you
go.
are going to Zomba. Now, yeah, you start off from here.
Yeah, from here.
You just go. We go back. You guys will use this way. You go to Zomba. Yeah. One, two, three, four, One, two, three, four, five. Anyone. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, I see one and two. Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pass 1. 5 again. 1, 2,
WhatsApp.